Imagine a world where payments are a breeze, a simple tap or scan that gets you what you need. Well, that world exists, and it's called GrabPay. It's the mobile wallet taking Southeast Asia by storm, letting you ditch the bulky wallet and pay for everything from groceries to movie tickets with just your phone. But with so many payment options these days, you might be wondering, is GrabPay right for me, and how exactly do I use it? Worry not, because in this ultimate guide, we'll break down everything you need to know about paying with GrabPay. Setting up your GrabPay account. First things first, you'll need the Grab app. If you haven't already, download it on your phone's app store. Once you're in, navigate to the payments section and look for GrabPay. Setting up your account is a breeze. Just follow the on-screen instructions, link your debit or credit card, and you're ready to roll. Topping up your GrabPay wallet. Think of your GrabPay wallet as your digital piggy bank. To make payments, you'll need to add funds. Topping up is easy. You can link your bank account for instant transfers or visit partner locations like convenience stores and top up with cash. Making payments with GrabPay. Now for the fun part, using GrabPay. Here are the two main ways to pay using your GrabPay wallet. In-store payments. Look for the GrabPay logo displayed prominently at participating merchants. When you're ready to pay, simply open the Grab app, navigate to the GrabPay section, and choose Scan QR. Scan the merchant's QR code, confirm the amount, and voila! Payment is complete. Online payments. Many online stores and services now offer GrabPay as a payment option. During checkout, look for the GrabPay logo and select it as your preferred payment method. You will be redirected to the Grab app for confirmation, and that's it. Bonus features of GrabPay. GrabPay goes beyond just payments. Here are some cool features you might not know about. Grab Rewards. Every time you pay with GrabPay, you earn Grab Rewards points. These points can be redeemed for discounts on rides, food deliveries, and more. Bill payments. Pay your bills with ease through GrabPay. From utility bills to mobile top-ups, it's a one-stop shop for managing your finances. Send and receive money. Need to split a bill with a friend or send some cash to family? GrabPay lets you send and receive money instantly to other GrabPay users. Security with GrabPay. Security is paramount when it comes to online payments. GrabPay utilizes multiple layers of security to protect your information. These include secure data encryption, transaction verification, and fraud monitoring. Additionally, you can set up a PIN or fingerprint authentication for added security within the app. Is GrabPay right for you? If you're looking for a convenient, secure, and rewarding way to pay, then GrabPay is definitely worth considering. With its wide network of acceptance, bonus features, and user-friendly interface, it's a great way to simplify your mobile payments experience. So, ditch the bulky wallet and embrace the future of payments with GrabPay. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.